Beneath the dense jungles of Central America, mist curls around stone pyramids and overgrown plazas. Here lies a civilization that mastered knowledge far beyond its era. The Maya, the Aztecs, and other Mesoamerican cultures built monuments aligned with the stars, developed complex calendars, and engineered cities that remain a marvel to modern science. Every stone, every glyph, every alignment is a clue to a society whose intelligence rivals any civilization in recorded history. The precision of their constructions, the sophistication of their astronomy, the mastery of materials, all suggest technologies lost to time, technologies that modern science is only beginning to grasp. Tonight, we begin a journey into these secrets, stepping into a world where architecture, astronomy, and mathematics merge into mystery. The first light of dawn reveals Tikal, a city rising from the jungle floor. Massive pyramids reach skyward, their terraces carefully calculated, their alignment precise. Streets run along exact cardinal directions. Temples are not randomly placed. Each is oriented to celestial events. At Chichen Itza, the observatory known as El Caracol sits atop a square platform, circular in design. Windows and openings align with the rising and setting of Venus, tracking its movement with astonishing accuracy. The Maya could predict solar and lunar eclipses decades in advance. They mapped the heavens, turning the cosmos into architecture. Yet the question remains, how? What tools did they use to survey and measure with such precision? What instruments, now lost, allowed them to track stars with the naked eye so flawlessly? Every monument hints at a hidden understanding of mathematics and geometry, an ancient technology encoded in stone. Stone dominates the landscape, yet evidence of advanced metallurgy appears in small artifacts. Copper axes, gold ornaments, and obsidian tools show a mastery of material properties. Obsidian, sharper than modern surgical steel, was worked with a precision that defies imagination. The Maya may not have built machines as we know them, but their engineering extended to city infrastructure. Roads, canals, and terraces demonstrate a deep understanding of environmental engineering. Water management, from reservoirs to aqueducts, shows they could control the flow of rivers, prevent flooding, and maintain agriculture in challenging conditions. Their technology was subtle, integrated into their environment, invisible yet transformative. The Maya calendar is famous, yet the depth of their knowledge is staggering. They tracked Venus, Mars, and the Moon with extraordinary precision. Codices like the Dresden Codex contain detailed tables predicting eclipses, solstices, and lunar cycles. Pyramids like El Castillo at Chichen Itza serve as giant instruments. Twice a year, the sun casts shadows, creating the illusion of a serpent descending the stairs, a visual manifestation of their astronomical observations. Temples and ceremonial centers across Mesoamerica were constructed not just for worship, but as calendars in stone, aligning human activity with the movements of the heavens. Beyond temples and observatories, Mesoamerican cities reveal engineering mastery. Terraces prevent soil erosion. Canals channel water efficiently. Elevated roads connect distant cities through dense jungle. Stones weighing several tons were quarried, transported, and set with astonishing precision. Consider Palenque, where aqueducts flow beneath the city. Rainwater is captured, stored, and distributed, a system more sophisticated than many European cities of the same era. Urban planning reflects both practicality and ceremonial significance. Every construction decision was deliberate, blending technology with culture. Glyphs carved into stone record history, mathematics, and astronomy. Yet many remain undeciphered, holding secrets of technology and observation. Numerical systems and calendars reveal a deep understanding of mathematics. Complex calculations suggest they had methods for solving astronomical problems that remain difficult to reproduce today. These inscriptions are more than decoration. They are manuals, warnings, and messages, fragments of a knowledge system partially lost to time. Could they contain instructions for devices or methods now forgotten? Some researchers believe hidden engineering knowledge is embedded in these texts, waiting for discovery. Beyond Chichen Itza, other observatories dot the landscape. At Uxmal and Copan, Pyramids and temples align with solstices and equinoxes. Platforms, sightlines, and windows serve as instruments, translating the sky into measurable phenomena. Timekeeping was not merely ritualistic. It was practical. Agricultural cycles, ceremonial events, and political power depended on precise calendars. This implies technology of measurement. Gnomons, shadow trackers, and other instruments that might have been lost over centuries. The sophistication of these tools is astonishing, considering they were built without iron or steel instruments common in other civilizations. Despite centuries of research, many questions remain unanswered. How did the Maya achieve astronomical precision without telescopes? How did they move massive stones through dense jungle? How did they measure time, distance, and alignment with such accuracy? Artifacts, codices, and architecture hint at knowledge that may never be fully recovered. Could they have independently discovered advanced technologies, or might there have been knowledge transfer across continents? Were there devices, now lost, that enabled precision we struggle to replicate even today? Walking through the overgrown plazas and pyramids, it becomes clear that Mesoamerican civilizations were far from primitive. They were visionaries, engineers, and astronomers. Their technology was subtle, integrated into every aspect of life, from architecture to agriculture, astronomy to metallurgy.